This is a wonderful opportunity to own a large lot with expansive views within the gates of the distinguished Santa Luz Country Club. Design your custom home with any number of approved architects. All of the home sites in Santa Luz are approximately 1 to 2.5 acres, encouraging a private restorative quality. The architecture of Santa Luz is early California Spanish. The haciendas are grand but understated, with a rustic charm that embraces the state's historic past. The heart of Santa Luz is an 11-acre village green with a fabulous community building. The kids will never complain there is nothing to do with so much to offer. The facilities include a state-of-the-art gymnasium with the latest in fitness equipment. The large pool and spa will provide hours of entertainment during the summer months. The cafe and coffee house has an easy, relaxed feel and a varied menu. But the star attraction is the Santa Luz private Reese Jones Championship Golf Course on over 200 acres of land. The asking price does not include Santa Luz Club membership. The community of Santa Luz is just east of Fairbanks Ranch and Rancho Santa Fe. The city of Del Mar is just a 15-minute drive from Santa Luz. Here you can enjoy San Diego's famous beaches. Whether it's surfing, sailing, water skiing or jet skiing, running or just soaking up the sun, Del Mar has it all and more. Stroll the quaint shops and enjoy the fine restaurants and the wonderful small-town feel. 45 minutes south of Santa Luz is downtown San Diego, home of the world-famous San Diego Zoo, located in the heart of the city's celebrated Balboa Park. All this and so much more is waiting for you in Santa Luz. For more information on this large lot within the Santa Luz Country Club, contact Dave Henderson at Ranch Properties West.